Hello, this is Victor Gawardi. I'm with We Insure, and we continue with the insurance educational videos that we have been providing to you. We are in this series discussing homeowners insurance. And we have already talked about your dwelling. We have already talked about your personal property. And in this video, we're going to be talking about liability. Within the liability part of your homeowners insurance, there is a section for medical payments. That is in case somebody, let's say it's at your house, it's helping you cook something, they slice their finger, you gotta take them to the emergency room, and they gotta put stitches in that cut. That part of your liability insurance will cover for the medical payments in that scenario without having the need of a lawsuit. The main part of the liability coverage is if somebody slips and fall in your home, and now let's say they break a leg and you got to take them to the emergency room. Now they're suing you. The liability coverage in your homeowner's insurance will cover for that in case somebody sues you for something that happened and now there's pending liability against you, and that part of the homeowner's insurance will cover you. Now, what I have seen in my practice so far is that a lot of people have $100,000 in liability coverage, which sometimes, like in the case of citizens, it's the amount that they give you. They cannot raise it, they cannot lower it, that's how much they can give you. I always encourage my clients to have at least $300,000 of liability coverage. And people ask me why that 300,000, where's that number coming from? Well, that is the number that the umbrella coverage, if you were to get an umbrella, that's how much they will require you to have in liability coverage in your home in order for that company to provide umbrella coverage. And so that's why we always recommend at least 300,000. Now, the price difference between $100,000 in liability coverage and 300,000, it is only about $18 per year. So $18 for an additional $200,000 in liability coverage, I think it's well worth it. Now, the other question that people ask me is, hey, is that enough? Well, the answer is it depends, right? If it is for somebody that's buying their first home, not too many assets, and they're buying their first $250,000 home, 300,000 might be enough for them if they have no other assets other than the home. Now, for somebody, I don't know, let's say Bill Gates trying to insure their homes, $300,000 is not going to come near to what he will need in liability coverage, right? And by the way, Bill, if you're watching this video, please make sure you give us a call. My number, 305-228-7520. And please, if you have any questions, always ask your agent, or if you would like us to review your policy, please feel free to contact us. My website, victorgawardi.com. My number again, 305-228-7520. And please, if you have any other questions or any other suggestions as to what you would like to learn in this upcoming videos, please leave a comment. Thank you. Victor Gawardi, We Insure.